Hey, Stefan from Centercode here. After spending some time in our GoEarly program, TED customization features are now live in the November update. So let's go ahead and check out how we can change things like Ted's name, his email address, and even his inside avatar. We'll start by going to the Community menu. We'll go down to Community Configuration, and then select the Tester Engagement Bot option. From here, click on Yes, you do want to use a custom bot persona. And now we can start customizing Ted. So we'll give him a brand new name. Also give him a brand new email address. And I'm going to update his inside avatar. So this is the avatar that Ted uses within Centercode. All right, that's looking good. So I'll click Save right here. Now, if you'd like to customize Ted's avatar outside of the platform, for instance, what he uses when he's inside something like Gmail or Outlook, that does require a little bit of extra configuration, and we've got a link to a help article right here on the customization screen. We can also edit his footer, so I'll just say don't panic, forward prefect. And then once you're done customizing Ted, you can preview exactly what it's going to look like in this box right here. So you can see that it's from forward prefect, it's from that specific email address that they set earlier, and then we have our brand new custom footer. Now, we have a lot of really great stuff coming in December as well. I won't spoil all of the really exciting improvements we have coming to the platform, but definitely stay tuned for that. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all the updates coming to Centercode, head to whatsnew.centercode.com. And happy testing.